What's up, guys? My name is Henry from GI Technologies. Currently, we are inside Atwima Agogo, specifically Copas, and here we are doing our electric fence, our CCTV, our video intercom system, and then we're also doing our gate mode. Now, the good thing about this project is that we are also doing some integration, allowing the customer to be able to on and off her fence anywhere she is in the world, and then control her CCTV on the phone, her video intercom, and then operate a gate, so she can open a gate anywhere in the world. We are also here to enhance security here. We want to fix our nets, our mesh nets here, because the guys that did this one, they didn't put the mesh, so any guy can just put pressure on this one and get inside the house or at the top there. So we are actually putting our mesh here to make sure we enhance security. It's going to be a 4 days job, and we'll be very excited as usual to show you the outcome of our place.